Hello, my name is Michael AI, and I am the digital avatar for the daily blog Tech Time. Michael, the non-digital avatar and my boss, is both the producer and writer for this channel. He is working hard to bring you content that is relevant, educational, and hopefully not boring. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video is helpful to you. Do not forget to click the subscribe button so we can continue bringing you technology news, information, and reviews. Hello everyone, and welcome to What is Blank in 5 minutes or less. Today, our blank is Canva in 5 minutes or less. We're going to dive in and talk about something really cool that can turn any person into a design superstar. Even if you can only draw stick figures, Canva can turn your idea into a masterpiece. Ever wished you could make awesome birthday or wedding invitations, a cool poster for your school project, or even an avatar for your parents' Facebook page, but felt like you needed to be an engineer and an art teacher? Guess what? You don't. There is this magical online tool called Canva. It's like having a superpower that lets you design almost anything. What is really important is that it can be done right from your computer, phone, or tablet. You won't need fancy art supplies or super expensive software. So get ready, because in the next few minutes, we're going to discuss the wonder that is Canva and how it can bring out your creative genius. Canva can be used by a first grader all the way to grandpa and grandma. Let's get started. Make awesome invitations and cards. Birthday parties, sleepovers, holiday cards. Instead of just writing on a plain piece of paper, you can pick a beautiful template on Canva. A template is like a fancy coloring book page that's already got the lines drawn for you. You just color it in with your words and pictures. You can choose how the letters look, add clip art, and even put in your own pictures. Your invitations will look like a professional designed them. Create school projects and presentations. Got a school report due? You can use Canva to make your cover page or even design a whole presentation. Imagine your science fair project board, but instead of gluing on cutout pictures, you've got beautifully arranged titles, photos, and colorful backgrounds. It can help you make your ideas pop and impress your teacher and classmates. Make social media pictures pop. You, your parents, or older siblings might use Instagram or Facebook. Canva can help make those pictures look extra special, adding cool text like "Go Team" or a fun border to photos. Canva has special sizes already set up for all those different social media websites, so the pictures always look perfect. Design cool posters and flyers. Want to make a poster for a bake sale, a lost pet, anniversary, a business, or just to decorate your room? Canva has tons of templates. Pick one, change the words, add pictures of your pets, cupcakes, business logo, and boom, a poster that looks like a graphic designer made it. Yes, you can make short videos. Canva can even help you make fun videos with music and moving pictures. It's not a Hollywood blockbuster, but perfect for quick birthday messages or showing off vacation photos. The best part? It's super easy to use. You don't need to learn complicated buttons or remember tricky codes. It's mostly drag and drop. Just click, pull, and place items where you want them. It's almost like playing a video game where you're building something cool, and many of its amazing features are free to use, so anyone can jump in and start creating right away. It's all about making design simple, fun, less stressful for everyone. So there it is. Canva isn't just another boring computer app. It's a creative playground where anyone from a first grader to a grandparent can unleash their inner artist and make amazing looking things. It takes away all the scary, difficult parts of design and replaces them with fun, easy tools and tons of pre-made ideas. Whether you're designing a superhero party invitation, a dazzling school report, wedding invitations, or a business proposal, Canva makes it possible to create something awesome in minutes. So next time you need to make something look special, remember Canva, your secret weapon for super awesome designs. May the force be with you. Design superstars.